My name is Elizabeth Edet from ROA Specialist Hospital Marketer. Pleased to meet you. I would like to know you and know the health condition you're diagnosed on when you came into ROA Specialist Hospital.
Mm. Good afternoon. My name is Reverend Nike Taiwo Awushika. I came here on emergency a few days ago, which was, I can't remember the date now because I remember I came here in agony. I was in so much pain. And my daughter brought me here and we spoke to the nurses. And amazingly, right, they were so caring, and within a short period of time, I was sent in to see a doctor who actually it took my blood pressure and everything, and they gave me a very good treatment. And I went back thinking that it's completely gone. But the next day, instead of me to come back here, I went to one hospital. I think it's called um, I can't remember the name. I was told it's the best hospital in Lagos. So I went there in Lekki, and I coughed up something as much as nearly 500,000 in a short period of time. And there was no good result. They didn't give me no receipt. There was no invoice. The the test they did for me, they didn't give me any reports for me to be able to tell, what treatment I received. So, funnily, I came back here the next day because the pain was still very severe.
Came back to our hospital.
To your hospital here, yes. And I met the doctor, and what amazed me about here is the kind of treatment they give. It's like second to none. The whole place is very clean. The staffs are very neat, very caring, and very professional. So I saw the doctor that I saw the previous 2 days before, and you know, he didn't wait for much longer. He just said to me, I think I'm going to call the MD to attend to you. And within a matter of 5-10 minutes maximum, I was taken to the MD's office, which is so unusual. Found him very pleasant, very nice, very caring. And he explained to me in total what could have gone wrong in my system. He think it might be inflammation, and if it's not inflammation, we'll do MRI scan and something else. Then he'll be able to tell me exactly what went wrong. In the meantime, they put cannula in my arm, and they put some pain relieving stuff and anti-inflammation drug. And throughout that day, I was completely relieved. And I came home. I went for the test, came back with the result. So I'm just here to know what the result is. I want him to read the report to me.
Thank you so much for trusting us. And I would like to ask, what do you like to tell the audience out there, those actually going through one issues, challenges about their health? What would you want to advise them? We want to advise them to visit our specialty hospital, just like you've visited and you've seen so far how the facility is and for what would you want to say to the audience out there, ma'am?
To start with, the ambience of this hospital. I come from Britain, where everything is clean, they're very professional, and coming here, I didn't expect this kind of treatment. I thought it's going to be the same as the other hospitals, but coming here, the ambience is perfect. The staffs are very clean, very neat, very professional, and very respectful. And they're private with your issues, because you see some nurses in some hospital, they will just shout and call you. This one, they come straight to you. It's like they're whispering to you, oh, you come, can you come, madam? And all that. That to me means so much. I have so much respect for this organization. And the amazing thing about it is you don't charge. I mean, 33,000 for all the services rendered to me a few days ago. I went to a hospital whereby I spent like 3 to 4 hours. They charged me 481,061p. I can't remember, kobo, whatever it is. And here I pay peanuts. You understand? So I will advise people, please come here, talk to the people. I pray that sickness is not a good thing. We don't want to be sick. But if you are sick, because it's part of life, you're going to have an infirmity, you're going to have something going wrong. We're like machine. Sometimes the machine is pumping, it's working. Then the next time it might break down. When it breaks down, come over here. This hospital is one of the best I've seen. The doctor, the MD, so humble, so humble. So I'm really grateful. I think it's a charitable organization. That's why I thought, because charging me 33,000 for the kind of treatment I receive. I wonder if how you manage to be able to pay your staff salary and maintain a very clean environment like this. So I'm actually very grateful. So thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for trusting our specialist hospital. We look forward to your perfect healing and health. Thank you so much, ma'am. You're welcome.
My MD and all the doctors, the nurses, and every member of staff, you all matter. Thank you very